Hi there everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I have a fun, colorful, single layer thank you card. Now this is a new stencil from A Colorful Life Designs. It is part of the August release. I have some ink pads from Catherine Pooler, and here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed. Super fast and easy. I'm actually working directly on a card base. This is a 6x9 stencil. It's called the framing stencil, and if you do want this stencil, be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10 at checkout and you'll save on your complete order. That will work for pretty much everything in the shop with the exception of master creator bundles of stencils. But be sure to check out this August release. There are loads of fabulous new stencils, and there's also new card bling, which depending on when I release this video, she always releases the new colors in the beginning of the month at a discounted price. So if you want all the blingage, be sure to get it in the first week and you can get it 20% off. Plus, you can use your favorite designer's coupon. So you can use AmyFan10 on top of it. But like I said, I will link everything below. If you expand and scroll down under the video, you'll find all those details. And when you do use my links, it really helps me out. So if you could follow those links if you shop, it'll be no additional cost to you and I'll get credit for the sale. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm working on my cake decorating turntable. This thing is about 25 years old, so I apologize I don't have any links for it, but I do have an all-to-new stick mat on top of it, and I'm using that to hold down my stencil on top of my card base, and I'm just using these bright, rich colors from Catherine Pooler to create a fun rainbow across the front of the card. So if you're not comfortable working on a card base, you can absolutely do this on a panel and attach it, but I like to save paper and save time, so a lot of times I will just work directly on the card base itself, and that's just a matter of preference for me. So I use 120-pound accent opaque, which is nice and thick. It's great for card bases and panels and die cuts and all the things. So I will have that linked as well below. I know it comes in and out of stock on Amazon, so just stay tuned for it if you want to get your hands on it, but I will link it below. Just working through the colors of the rainbow here. I have it nice and bright and vibrant, and I'm going to pull back that stencil and reveal this amazing design. So I'm super stoked about this stencil. I think it's so pretty and I just love it in the rainbow colors. So now I just need to decide how I want to finish the card. Typically I don't have a plan in mind when I start creating. I just start playing and have fun and then kind of figure out the sentiment after the fact. So unless I'm making it specifically for a person at that time, I'm kind of just winging it and just kind of relying on the stuff that I have already made in my stash. And this is my binder system for sentiments. I decided to go with this really big thank you. This is from Concord and Ninth. I'll link that as well below. And I believe these strips, these are not the ones I get from Amazon. I believe these are the ones I got from Simon Says Stamp. I think they might be a little bit thicker. If memory serves. I kind of just have them on my desk, but again, I will try and remember to link them below, and I'm just kind of putting them kind of on the points of this that jut out just to make sure it's nice and secure if I ship it through postage. I don't want it to get scrunched down. And we're going to remove the backing on these sentiments or on these little foam strips and place the sentiment down in the center towards the top of the card. And that's going to finish the main design. Now, my favorite part is the blingage. So this is card bling. This is all in the shop at A Colorful Life Designs. Like I said, you can use my coupon AmyFan10, and this is a new one this month. So fun. These are polka dot ones. So you have black with white polka dots and white with black polka dots. Just had to decide which one I wanted to use. I was also kind of considering this satin black mix, which is a go-to, or maybe the Crystal Iris Aurora Borealis. All of these would have worked. I love having so many options. These are my favorite, but I do ultimately decide to go with these new polka dot ones. So put those down in an odd number. Actually, I think I did 3 and 3 on this one, a little bit different. And I have the dimension from the thank you, but otherwise nice and flat. And that's going to finish the card. So be sure to check out the August release. It's jam-packed full of awesome new stencils and card bling. So thanks for spending time with me. I will catch you next time. Bye.